guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my current beauty favorite, part 1, talking about skincare. I have a few skincare products here that I really want to talk to you guys about, stuff that has been working for me and that I've just been obsessed with. And I was going to have this as my whole monthly favorites, but I decided let me just keep it skincare, let me keep it sweet and short and sweet. And being that I do post these videos on my IGTV, I like to keep them nice and short. Anyway, if you guys are interested in finding out more, then please keep watching. So before we get started, Pixi sent me this adorable package, and the reason why I'm talking about it is because I've used some of these products that have been working for me, and look at how adorable this is. It's just it's so cute, and I love how creative they are when they are sending out PR packages. So Pixi Beauty, thank you guys so much for this package. And my favorite part, which it was one of my favorite things when they sent me the glow tonic. It said it was specifically made for Stephanie, or no, it had my name on there. It was Stephanie's glow tonic, and I loved it. I love how they personalize things. It's just so thoughtful, in my opinion. And on the back it says prepared for Stephanie, and then an RX number. I love it, and it's just so freaking adorable. The two products that did come in here that I have yet to use is their vitamin C caviar balm. I have not used this yet, and their vitamin C serum. Again, obviously, I have not used it. I am planning on using this as soon as I finish my other vitamin C that I will talk to you guys in a minute. I've talked about it before in a previous video, but I don't want to open this before finishing up my other vitamin C because I don't want it to go bad, and there's a time limit when it comes to vitamin C. I believe it's like 6 months or something like that. So I want to try and save it so that I can then, once I finish this one, I can go to the next one. Anyway, the other 3 products that came into that PR package, I've been using it for a couple weeks, and oh my goodness, you guys, I've seen such a huge difference. And yeah, so let's talk about this guy. This is the vitamin C juice cleanser with orange flower water, and it looks like this. Now, it says it's a cleanser. I don't think it would remove makeup. I still wash my face. I actually cleanse my face twice. I use my cleansing balm to remove all my makeup, and then I use my regular cleanser, and then I will go in with this, only because I am prone to cystic acne, and I would like to keep my skin looking as fresh as possible and not continue having cystic acne at age 31. So I'm trying to avoid that completely. I still get breakouts here and there, but I'm very, very prone to getting cystic acne. Anyway, so after I double cleanse, I go in with this guy, and I use this at night and during the day, and it does have one of these little gadgets. You just put a cotton pad, and then I just do it like 2 or 3 times, and I guess you could say I use it like a toner. Either way, I still go in with their vitamin C tonic, and I guess it's like a double toner, but neither of them have alcohol in it, and it feels so refreshing, and I just love it. I do use this during the day, which, you know, it's perfect. Like in the morning when I wake up, I use this because I don't need to wash my face. I don't wear makeup at nighttime. I just want to use something light where I can just remove the oils from the night before, because sometimes I use Rene, sometimes I'll just use a vitamin C, and I want to just remove that before I go work out, or before I go into my new skincare, or before I go in with my makeup and all of that. And it's refreshing, it's light, and I don't have to worry about getting a whole new cleanser. So I definitely enjoy this. Highly recommend, again, not to remove makeup, in my opinion. If you've used this and you've used it to remove makeup, let me know. I would like to know. But either way, I'm kind of like weird, and I like doing a double cleanse when it comes to my face. And again, the vitamin C tonic is absolutely incredible. A couple videos ago, I talked about their glow tonic, and that one and this one are both like my #1. Love that glow tonic. It honestly truly has done wonders for my skin, and getting to try their vitamin C tonic has totally changed my life. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend those products if you guys are looking for something that's going to be brightening. And I feel like vitamin C does help with acne. It has helped with my acne, so it's definitely worth a shot. And Pixi is pretty affordable, and it's a company that I would recommend to a lot of clients as far as changing up their skincare routine. The other product that they sent me is the vitamin C lotion. Love this. I only use it at nighttime though, because it is a little bit heavier, and I like to go with a much lighter moisturizer during the day before going in with my makeup, so I don't get like super duper oily. But this stuff is absolutely incredible, you guys. I use this with my 2 serums that I will talk about in a minute when I got back from my trip from Florida, and oh my gosh, it did absolute wonders. We were up for like over 2 days. It had to have been over 2 days, and we were stuck at the airport, and it's a long story, so I'm not gonna get into it, but we didn't sleep. And when I got home, I washed my face, I did my whole skincare routine, and I slept for over 11 hours, and I woke up the next morning and my zits were gone. It was incredible. Okay, moving on. The 2 serums I'm talking about. I have talked about this guy. This is the Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum. I've talked about it when I talked about the Glow Tonic. Love this stuff. But in combination, I've been using this guy. This is the Age Adapting Facial Serum Cannabis Complex, Full Spectrum Cannabis Complex. I don't have the box for it. I actually took this from my mom. Now, she recently did a video talking about this, so I'm gonna leave the video link down in the description box on YouTube, or down in the drop down menu on IGTV. If you are interested in finding out more about CBD oil and all of that, she has some great information on it as well. I think one of her friends as well talks about it, so I will try and find those videos, or I will just link their channels so you can go check them out. They are in the mature community, but they are absolutely amazing, and I love them all to death, and great information. Anyway, I've been using this. It has totally changed my skincare routine, my skin in general. I only use it at nighttime though, because it is an oil, but you guys, my skin, just with all of these products, it looks and feels great. My skin looks plump, refreshed, hydrated. It's truly done a huge difference with all of these products, especially this guy. And I will leave the actual name of the company, what it's called, as well as I will link them. But so good, you guys. And I'm actually going to buy a backup. It is a little bit more on the pricier side, but there's a reason. It's because it's good products. And I've told a lot of my clients that yes, skincare is going to be more on the pricier side, and if you do your research, you know, make sure that the ingredients are good. But when it comes to spending money on skincare, it's better to spend money on good skincare, because it's going to work, it's going to last, and you're not wasting money on cheap products that are just not going to work for you, because in the end, you're just going to waste money. I hope that makes sense. Anyways, if you guys have any questions at all, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to answer anything at all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys have been loving recently when it comes to skincare. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Love you guys, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video.